Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds VIVO TWS 3E with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, click pair new device at the top. Some Android phones haven't this button, so maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. But I need to click pair new device, then you need to open the charging case. At the back side of each earbud we have touch areas, and you can press and hold on it until the LED light starts blinking white. But you can also remove earbuds from the charging case, and after that press and hold at the touch areas, located again at the top right here, and just press and hold. And I just enter to pairing mode this way. So we should see these headphones at the device list. Oh, maybe I enter to pairing mode. Yeah, so just tap on them and then click pair. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!